Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about how to pay an Amazon product using only PayPal. So, this is an actual common question. If you're trying to pay for your Amazon order using the PayPal balance, you have probably noticed the problem that Amazon does not accept the PayPal directly. How do we know that? If you focus directly into your account and focus for your payment methods, usually here what you can do is to add a new payment method, and you can add a PayPal account. But PayPal is no longer active and is no longer been accepted here directly inside Amazon. So what can we do? Can we solve this problem? Well, let's look at the best option. First, let's use a card to link directly to your PayPal balance. So the first method is to use the PayPal debit card. So the most seamless way to pay by using PayPal is, of course, using an actual PayPal debit card. So a PayPal debit card, often called a PayPal Cash Card or PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, this card is linked directly to your PayPal balance. So if you go directly here into Amazon.com, the payment settings here, for example, you can see that here your account has already been set up. But what we're choosing here is to focus directly into your payments, which we are already inside here. And if you add a payment method and select add a credit or debit card, choose to add a credit or debit card, and simply just enter the 16-digit credit card expiration date and security code from the physical PayPal debit card. To get a physical debit card, you must open in the tab, go for PayPal debit card. And usually here PayPal has offering this new debit card that you can get totally for free. Now the problem here is that usually this card is not available into a lot of countries, so you might want to be taking mind if your country is eligible to receive this this credit card. So the list of the countries and currency usually is all of these elements, so you might want to take that in mind before you want to make some kind of this payment. Usually they have a lot of countries, but if this one does not appear, you can focus directly with the next method, which is buying an Amazon gift card with PayPal. This is the easiest solution so far to pay with an actual credit card. So for this, what I'm going to do here is to focus into some really secure and trusted place to purchase gift cards, which in my case should be Eneva. Eneva is an actual place where you can purchase games, e-cards, e-gifts cards, Steam products, Xbox, FIFA, Fortnite, and so much more elements. So usually I've bought tons of elements, and if you have, let's say for example, like an issue here, you can always contact them and tell them that you have an actual issue. Usually they send you your money back if you paid already for some product. So something that I loved a lot about here, this element, is that you can have this Amazon products gift cards. You can focus into the upper side, type your Amazon, and you can focus from the price range to choose the country you're currently living. Really important to inside here choose the country you are locating, making this transaction. For example, if you are into the United States, this must be United States, otherwise it just won't work directly here inside there. For example, if I'm using Amazon for Mexico, this one says amazon.com.mx, so that means if I use a gift code from the US, this just won't work directly here into amazon.com.mx, right? So take that in mind. Now that you have selected a gift card that you wanted to purchase, go for the option that says add to cart, make the actual purchase, and usually this will be sending you, is going to be giving you an actual code that you need to provide directly here into Amazon. To redeem this specific code, you can go directly here into Amazon once again. Here directly here into the gift card, usually what you can do is to go directly here into your payment method, and you can add the gift card element, and it's going to be telling you to import your actual code that you have just generated, and it's going to be looking something like this. So you can just import here your code, go for apply, and automatically your new balance will be appearing in here. This is usually how we can actually start paying with the actual PayPal. Now, how does PayPal get involved into this specific transaction? Well, the reason why I choose Eneva is because when you want to make the purchase, you can pay In the section that says proceed to the checkout, you can pay directly with Aniva using your actual PayPal. That means that you can make the transaction here into Aniva using your PayPal, and this digital code will be provided now directly into Amazon. That's the way of how you can actually use our PayPal account. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. You can't use PayPal directly, but you can bridge the gap by either adding your PayPal debit card or your Amazon account, purchasing an Amazon gift card, and placing a new PayPal balance from a third-party seller. So which method would you use next in your next purchase? So let me know in the comment below. If this workaround guide was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to TechSpress, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.